Did your grandma put turmeric that is healthy in almost everything she cooked? So that includes dal, sabzi, vegetable, rice, warm milk, warm water, whatever, especially when you were sick. Well, turns out to be that she was onto something science also has proven. Yes, grandma's wisdom or wisdom of wellness and modern science. This is what today, that is Wednesday Wisdom, video topic is all about. Researchers have found that people who are given 1 teaspoon of whole turmeric powder a day, they saw a significant improvement in their inflammation, significant reduction in inflammation, significant drop in inflammatory markers, blood tests like IL-6, a key inflammation marker. But here's the twist: purified curcumin supplement, what you get on the shelf, the capsules, the concentrated pill version did not work as well as the turmeric which you use in your kitchen is concerned. So 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder is better than the curcumin pills alone. So why? Because turmeric isn't just curcumin, it's a whole package of compounds working together. Grandma wasn't measuring the milligrams of curcumin contained in that teaspoon of turmeric, but she was just adding the whole spice, the way nature made it. And that's exactly what has been proven in the research, and that is exactly what has worked. So, whenever you cook, try to use this magical spice which is there in every kitchen. Next time someone tells you to skip the old fashioned habits of putting turmeric in all your veggies or lentils or soups, then try to persuade them to use the whole spice rather than using the supplement form of curcumin, that is the active ingredient found in turmeric. Wednesday Wisdom, follow for more science behind what our elders already knew. This is your friend in health, Dr. Sandeep Jassal, signing off for now. Till we meet again, stay blessed and live life more. Bye bye.